Hello friends, welcome back. This is Nima. Remember this tool? I created this tool when I had to put together 80 cards exactly the same that had multiple layers. And it's something really simple. I just have a frame, and in here I'll put my card. And then I have multiple layers, so I will bring my layers. Then bring the next one. And then my card will be all of them the same position, and I didn't have to worry about fixing them because they were going to be exactly the same. So I have a video about this tool, a little better video explaining how I made it. So if you want, you can check the video. I'm going to link the video below. But what I'm showing you now is something else that I added to the same tool. And it's because I have to make a lot of cards that they're all gonna have the same sentiments, and I want those sentiments to be in the same position. I have my cards already done. And what I have is this frame in here. Let me start with one that is my template. So this is the way that I work with this. I have my card with the sentiment the way that I want it. And this grid in here, I have already this grid attached to the bottom with the size of my card. And I'm gonna mark this where my sentiment will go. And this is gonna be something that you can erase. So you can use a marker and one that works. That's where I want friend, and then hello will be in here. And you can mark if you need to mark a little bit more other point of reference, fine with that. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove this card. And now I'm gonna bring this up here so you could see it. Now you see the marks on that part in there. I'm gonna put this stamping block in the bottom just to keep it flat. So I see my marks in here. And you won't see it unless I put a piece of white paper. All right. Now you can see the little marks in there. And what I'm gonna do is that I have my sentiments ready. And I'm gonna take my sentiments and I can put just a little bit. And if your tape is, this tape is not too, well, it is, but it's, I can dab a little bit so it's not that sticky. I just want that to be sticky enough, not too much. I'm going to position my sentiment, the hello, backward in there. And the friend backward in here. And now I just have to put the glue right in here. Just tap a little bit, whatever method you use. This one, they have this sentiment. I'm using vellum, so I don't want to glue everything, just on top of the letters. And then I'm going to put my card. And I just have to flip this And there we are. And then go to the next one. Again. And just in a few minutes, I finished with all my cards. And using this old tool that I came up with like maybe a year and a half or longer than that, I have finished with all my cards in no time. So I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy the process and try. Please let me know, comment and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.